how to set up direct deposit on Cash App. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up direct deposit on Cash App. It's super easy and a great way to get your money faster. Let's jump in. First, open Cash App and log in. On the main screen, tap the bottom left icon. It might show your balance or a bank icon if your balance is 0. This takes you to the banking page. Next, look for direct deposit. Now, if you haven't ordered or activated a Cash App card, you'll need to do that first to use direct deposit. If you already have your Cash App card, you'll see a screen with direct deposit options. At the top, you can check out benefits like getting paid up to 2 days early, 3 free ATM withdrawals if you deposit $300 a month, and FDIC insurance for your money. To set it up, you can choose automatic setup if your employer uses companies like ADP, Home Depot, or UPS. Just follow the steps there. If not, you can do it manually. Cash App will give you a routing number and account number to share with your employer. Or tap Fill Out Form to get a direct deposit form to give them. And that's it. You're done. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!